Hi children, I hope you are all doing good and safe at your homes. In this pandemic situation, our school taken an initiative to conduct the online classes. As a part of it, I'm trying to do effective and interactive online classes for maths. Before going to the concept, I request all of you to prepare a notes for your further reference how you will do in our classrooms. And also try to answer the questions which I will ask you in my explanation to yourself so that this video can be more interactive rather than a passive video. I hope you all will follow. In this, we are going to discuss what are integers, integers number line, and some properties of integers. Okay. In this review, we are dealing with what are integers and what are integers number line and some properties which you already learned in your previous class. First one, what are integers? Integers is a number set. The set of numbers including positive and negative numbers along with zero is known as integer number set. I'm repeating. Integers is a set of numbers with positive and negative numbers along with 0. And integers denotes with the alphabet Z. This is the integer number set. It includes from minus infinity to plus infinity along with the negative numbers and positive numbers and includes 0. And it's denoted with the letter Z. Now see the integer number line. Integer number line will start from minus infinity and extend up to plus infinity. The middle number of the integer number line is 0. All the values of the right side are positive. This is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and so on up to infinity. All the numbers which are left side of the 0 are negative numbers. That is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on up to minus infinity. Remember that the middle value of the entire integer number line is 0. And all the numbers which are right side of the 0 are positive. And all the numbers which are left side of the 0 are negative. This is the integer number line. Before going to the chapter, let us recall some of the details and information which you already learned in your previous classes regarding the numbers. Let us start this review session with place values. Let us start our session. This is a review session of chapter 6 of your previous class, that is integers. Why we are going to discuss this chapter is because your first chapter in class 7th is integers. So before going to start with that chapter, let us discuss or just get a review of what you already learned in the 6th class. Let us next we'll discuss some properties of the integers. Next property is always a negative number is less than a positive number. As integer includes both negative and positive numbers, if you want to compare a negative number with a positive number, always positive number is bigger than negative number. Let us see an example. 9, 1. Which one is greater? Obviously, 9 is greater than 1. If I say this is a minus 9, that is, this is a negative number. So, this will become less than. Minus 9 is less than 1 because 9 is a negative number. Always negative number is less than a positive number. If it is not 9, if it is also 99, minus 99 is also less than 1. All well known about the different set of numbers. In this, first is natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. Natural numbers is a number set includes the 1 to infinity. And whole number is set of numbers includes 0 to infinity. And integers is set of numbers including the negative numbers and positive numbers along with 0, that is minus infinity to plus infinity. Here you can clearly observe that all natural numbers is a set of whole numbers. All whole numbers 0 to infinity includes in integers. That is, a whole numbers is a part of integers. This can be easily represented in a circular diagram. If this belongs to the natural number set, all natural numbers including with 0 is known as whole numbers. Along with natural numbers including 0 and with negative numbers, it's integers. Natural numbers is a part of whole numbers and whole numbers is part of integers. Whole numbers includes 0, integers includes natural numbers, 0 and negative numbers. You can easily remember this diagram to remember these properties. If you want to compare two negative numbers, then which one is bigger and which one is smaller? Let's see 9 and 10. Which one is smaller? 9 is less than 10. It's very clear. Now, if I'm going to write this as minus 9 and this as minus 10, then what will this symbol? I'm going to compare a negative number with the other negative number. Then what will be the smallest number and what will be the greatest number? Remember that if two numbers are negative, then which number is small, that will be the greatest one. In 9 and 10, 9 is the smallest one. In spite of the signs, as though both are negative, minus 9 will be the greater. I hope you understood. Let us check with the other example. Minus 1 and plus 1. Which one is bigger? Obviously, 1 is bigger because this is a negative number and this is a positive number. if this is minus 10, this is minus 1, this is minus 10. Now, which one is bigger? Minus 1 is bigger than minus 10. So, minus 1 is greater than minus 10.